Hey gang, I'm working on some patio furniture, so stay tuned for that. But because I'm always trying to up my game, I'm also experimenting with some lap joints and some dowel joinery. So for this deck furniture, this patio furniture that I'm making, I'm going to be experimenting with both of those types of joinery. Because of that, I need to make a dowel jig so that I can make my own dowels, and that is the purpose of this video. I hope you enjoy it. Alright, this is about as easy as it gets. Get yourself a drill, a piece of 1/8 inch steel, and some bits that are intended for drilling metal, maybe a clamp or two, and you're in business. Never buy dowels again. So I used a little punch that I happen to have on hand to punch my steel before drilling, just to hold the bit in place. For my purposes, I'm going to be using a 3/8 inch and a 1/4 inch drill bit, which will make 3/8 inch and 1/4 inch dowels. I really need this dowel making tool now to make something, so this is just going to be real quick and dirty. Down the road, I hope to make a much nicer looking dowel making tool that will make many different sizes of dowels, but for now this will serve my purposes just fine. Now that I've got my holes drilled, I'm just going to use my countersink bit to kind of ease the entrance into the jig, and then I can get ready to cut a dowel. I happen to have a 1/2 inch dowel on hand, so for demonstration purposes I'm just going to turn it into a 3/8 inch dowel. That said, you would typically be taking a long strip of square wood that is slightly bigger than the size of dowel you want to make and running it through the jig that way. If you keep following my videos, you may get a chance to see that happen as well, but not today. Until next time, sweat for it, don't go into debt for it.